Hi everyone, welcome to my salad series. This is Surbi. Today we will prepare Mediterranean chickpea salad. This salad is quite famous here in Bahrain where I stay. This salad is very easy to prepare at home and it's loaded with protein and nutrient rich ingredients. So let's start preparing. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of boiled chickpeas that I have soaked overnight. I mainly use this measuring cup to measure my ingredients. You can easily find it in any supermarket. Let's start adding greens to our salad. First of all, I will cut cucumber. I will cut cucumber into small pieces. Let's add chopped cucumber into our boiled chickpeas. I have taken half yellow bell pepper and half red bell pepper. You can choose any bell pepper, red, yellow or green that is easily available in your market. I will cut them into small pieces. Let's add our chopped bell pepper in the mixing bowl. I have taken 1 cup cherry tomatoes and I will dice them now into small pieces. Or if you don't have cherry tomatoes at home, you can use regular tomatoes. You can always customize the salad the way you like it. I will add my chopped cherry tomatoes now into the mixing bowl. I have taken the bunch of parsley that I'm going to chop now into small pieces. First of all, I will remove the stem aside. People in Middle East, they love parsley. If you don't have parsley at home, you can always use coriander. I have parsley available here, so I'm using parsley. I'm chopping them into small pieces. Let's add the chopped parsley into our mixing bowl. You don't have to add the whole parsley, it's up to you. You can always customize the salad according to your taste. I like parsley, so I'm adding the whole parsley in my salad. I have taken a couple of mint leaves here. I will chop them into small pieces. You can skip mint leaves if you do not like mint leaves added to your salad. I like this minty flavor in my Mediterranean salad, so I'm adding some mint leaves into my salad. So I will add some mint leaves in my salad. I have taken half red onion. I will chop them into small pieces, or you can take the whole onion. If you like more onion in your salad, you can add more onion. Now I will add chopped onion into my mixing bowl. Now I will add half cup of olives in it. I have used black olives. And I will add some feta cheese to this salad. I bought this feta cheese from a supermarket here. I have taken 100 grams of feta cheese that I'm adding to this salad. Now let's start preparing homemade dressing for our salad. You can always prepare homemade dressing for your salad. You don't have to buy store-bought dressing. I have taken one empty jar. You can also take a bowl if you want. I will add 1/4 cup of olive oil in it. I am using this Alamarai extra virgin olive oil here. I will add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I am adding half lemon in it. Now I will add salt and pepper. You can also add salt and pepper as per your taste. I have used half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano in it and give it a good mix. Yes, your homemade dressing is ready for the salad. Let's drizzle the homemade dressing over our salad and give it a good mix. Yes, it's ready, our delicious Mediterranean chickpea salad. The salad has turned out so delicious. Please do give it a try and let me know in comment section if you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.